DJI's arrival in the mirrorless camera market represents a turning point that few in the imaging industry anticipated so soon. For years, DJI has been synonymous with aerial photography, cinematic drones, and class-leading stabilization systems. Its products reshaped how motion is captured, making smooth, professional-looking footage accessible to creators at every level. Now, with the launch of its first mirrorless camera, DJI is extending that philosophy to ground-based filmmaking and photography. This move is not a side project or an experiment, it is a clear declaration that DJI intends to compete directly with the most established names in the camera world. Unlike traditional camera manufacturers, DJI enters the mirrorless space with a background rooted in motion and video-first design. Its experience does not come from decades of still photography, but from solving complex problems related to stabilization, sensor performance in extreme conditions, and intelligent automation. This different origin story gives the DJI mirrorless camera a unique identity. Rather than feeling like a conventional camera with added video features, it is designed from the outset as a hybrid tool meant to serve photographers, filmmakers, and content creators who demand high performance across multiple disciplines. The overall design of the DJI mirrorless camera reflects the company's minimalist and functional approach to industrial design. The body is expected to be constructed from a durable magnesium alloy, offering a solid yet lightweight feel that balances well in the hand. DJI has avoided retro styling in favor of a clean, modern look that emphasizes usability. The grip is deep and contoured, providing stability during handheld shooting, while the layout of buttons and dials appears optimized for quick access rather than visual nostalgia. Every design choice seems driven by function, signaling that this camera is built for serious work rather than casual experimentation. Weather sealing is another area where DJI's engineering background becomes evident. Having built products intended for outdoor and high-risk environments, DJI understands the importance of durability. The DJI mirrorless camera is designed to withstand dust, moisture, and variable temperatures, making it suitable for travel, documentary, and adventure photography. This level of ruggedness reinforces the camera's positioning as a professional tool capable of performing reliably in demanding real-world conditions. At the heart of the DJI mirrorless camera is a newly developed full-frame sensor that showcases DJI's growing expertise in imaging technology. While DJI is new to interchangeable lens cameras, it has spent years refining sensor performance in drones that capture footage under challenging conditions. That experience has translated into a sensor that emphasizes dynamic range, color accuracy, and low light capability. Images produced by the camera are expected to show strong detail, controlled noise at higher ISO levels, and a balanced tonal response that feels natural rather than overly processed. Color science plays a critical role in how images are perceived, and DJI appears to have invested significant effort into this area. The camera's color rendering aims for a cinematic, true-to-life look that works equally well for still photography and video. Skin tones are smooth and realistic, highlights transition gently without harsh clipping, and shadow detail remains usable even in high-contrast scenes. This approach gives creators greater flexibility in post-production while still delivering pleasing results straight out of the camera. Autofocus performance is another area where the DJI mirrorless camera seeks to make a strong impression. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, the autofocus system is designed to deliver fast, accurate subject acquisition and reliable tracking. Eye detection for humans is responsive and consistent, while subject recognition extends to animals, vehicles, and other moving objects. This makes the camera well-suited for a wide range of applications, from portraits and street photography to sports and wildlife shooting. The autofocus system is also optimized for low-light environments, where many cameras struggle. Intelligent algorithms help the camera identify and track subjects even when contrast is limited, reducing focus hunting and missed shots. For event photographers, documentary filmmakers, and creators working in uncontrolled lighting, this reliability can make a significant difference in real-world performance. Stabilization is where DJI's influence is most clearly felt. The DJI mirrorless camera features a powerful in-body image stabilization system that builds on the company's extensive experience with gimbal technology. Offering up to 8 stops of stabilization, the system delivers exceptionally smooth handheld footage. Unlike some stabilization systems that feel overly aggressive, DJI's approach prioritizes natural motion, preserving the organic feel of handheld shooting while eliminating unwanted shake. This advanced stabilization has far-reaching implications for creative workflows. Filmmakers can achieve fluid, cinematic movement without relying on external stabilizers, reducing setup time and gear requirements. Photographers benefit from the ability to shoot at slower shutter speeds in low light without sacrificing sharpness. For solo creators and small teams, this combination of performance and simplicity can be transformative. Video performance is a central pillar of the DJI Mirrorless camera's identity. Designed with filmmakers in mind, the camera supports high-resolution recording up to 6K, along with high bitrate codecs that preserve detail and color information. Log profiles and RAW recording options provide extensive flexibility in post-production, enabling advanced color grading and exposure adjustments. Rolling shutter artifacts are minimized through efficient sensor readout and optimized processing, resulting in clean motion rendering. The visual character of the video output emphasizes a cinematic look rather than exaggerated sharpness or oversaturated color. Dynamic range is wide, allowing highlights and shadows to coexist without excessive compromise. DJI has also included support for custom LUTs, enabling creators to preview their intended look while recording. This feature is particularly valuable for professional productions where consistency and creative intent are critical. Audio integration is another important consideration for video creators, and DJI has approached this with a system-level mindset. The DJI Mirrorless camera includes dedicated microphone and headphone ports, allowing proper audio monitoring on set. Compatibility with DJI's existing wireless audio systems further streamlines workflows, creating a cohesive ecosystem that reduces the need for third-party accessories. This integrated approach reflects DJI's broader strategy of offering end-to-end solutions for content creation. Battery performance is expected to be competitive, with rumors suggesting around 2 hours of continuous 4K recording per charge. Fast USB-C charging allows batteries to be replenished quickly, and hot swapping support could enable extended shooting sessions without interrupting recording. These features cater to professional workflows where downtime is costly and reliability is essential. DJI is also expected to support the camera with a range of purpose-built accessories. Modular grips, external viewfinders, ND filter solutions, and additional mounting options could be introduced to expand functionality. Seamless compatibility with DJI's Ronin gimbals and wireless transmission systems further strengthens the appeal for filmmakers who already rely on DJI gear. This ecosystem-based approach lowers the barrier to entry and encourages creators to build a unified setup around a single brand. Lens mount strategy will play a crucial role in the long-term success of the DJI Mirrorless camera. While details remain limited, DJI is expected to prioritize flexibility, either through broad native compatibility or high-quality adapters. This would allow users to leverage existing lens collections, reducing the cost and friction of adopting a new system. For many professionals, this openness could be a deciding factor. For photographers, the camera offers strong image quality, dependable autofocus, and rugged build standards. For filmmakers, it delivers high-end video performance, industry-leading stabilization, and deep ecosystem integration. For hybrid creators, it promises a single tool capable of handling diverse creative demands without compromise. DJI's first mirrorless camera is not just an entry into a new market, it is a bold attempt to reshape the future of photography and filmmaking from the ground up.